Hi students, good morning to everyone. Our running chapter name is multiply and divide. We have learned some textbook problem, that is the page number 33 from exercise. We have finished 1 to 10 questions. Now we are going to solve question number 11. In question number 11, a roll of Sicilla cloth containing 79 meter of cloth. A Sicilla cloth is given. Sicilla cloth 79 meters and Pochampalli cloth also given. Pochampalli. Here we have two different cloths, that is Sicilla and Pochampalli. Pochampalli is 56 meters. Here cost of 1 meter of Sicilla cloth. 1 meter cost is 128 rupees. Pochampalli, 1 meter cost of 1 meter cloth is 217 meters. Here, what is the total cost of 79 meters? Cost of 79 meters cloth means 128 into 79. In Pochampalli, cost of 1 meter cloth is rupees 217. Here, what is the total cost? Total cost of 56 meters of cloth. Cost of 56 meters cloth is equal to 217 into 56. Yes, here we get total price for Pochampalli cloth. Here also we get total price of Sicilla. Then how much money has he received on their sale? What is the total amount on these two different cloths? Means we can add this value and this value, we get total price. This is the solution. We are given two different cloths are there, that is Sicilla and one is Pochampalli. Sicilla, so the cloth is 79 meters. Now total cloth of Pochampalli is 56 meters. Now cost of 1 meter cloth of Sicilla is rupees 128. In Pochampalli, cost of 1 meter cloth is rupees 217. Here, what is the total cost of Sicilla cloth? Here, total cloth is 79 meters. Cost of total 79 meters cloth of Sicilla cloth is 128.79. And cost of 56 meters of Pochampalli cloth is 217 into 56. We get the answer. Amount of Pochampalli, total amount of Pochampalli and total amount of Sicilla. In this question, if both the rolls are sold by the shopkeeper within the month, then how much money has he received on their sale? Means what is the total amount of Sicilla and Pochampalli? We get addition, a total amount of Sicilla and total amount of Pochampalli. That is the final answer. This is the solution. Now I write the solution. Now, page number 33, question number 11. Cost of 1 meter of Sircilla cloth. Sircilla cloth. Rupees 128. Cost of 79 meters of cloth. 1 meter is equal to 128 rupees. 710 meter. Cost of 710 meter is equal to 128 into 79. Now we do multiply it 128 with 79. Yes. 79, the first digit is 9. 9 8 is 72. 2 here, write down. Now 7 is going up, carry on. 9 2 ja 18. 18 plus 7. 25. Now the first digit right here. Now 2 is going up, carry on. Next, 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 2. 11. 11 right here. As in 79, the first digit 9 is over. The second digit, that is 7, in 10 space. Once 10, start here. 7 8 is 56. Now 6 right here. 5 is carry on here. 7 2 are 14. 14 plus 5. 19. 9 right here. 1 is carry on here. 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 1. 8. We do addition. 2. 5 plus 6 11. 1 is carry on. 1 plus 9 10. 10 plus 1 11. Again 1 year. Write down carry on. 1 plus 8 9. 9 plus 1 10. Yes. Total cost of 79 meter of cloth. Sircilla cloth is 10,112. This is the cloth amount on Sircilla. Now next one is Pochampalli. Cost of 1 meter of Pochampalli cloth. Pochampalli cloth. Given cost of 1 meter of Pochampalli cloth is rupees 217. 217. Cost of 56 meters of Pochampalli cloth. Pochampalli cloth. The cost of 1 meter is 217. Now cost of 56 meters means 217 into 56. Now multiply 217 with 56. In 56, The first digit is 6, 6 7 ja, 42. 2 here and 4 is carry on here. Now 6 1 ja 6, 6 plus 4, 10. 0 here and 1 here. 6 2 ja 12, 12 plus 1, 13. Now 5, the digit 5 in 10th place. 1, 10. 5 7 ja 35. 5 is here, 3 is going on. Carry on here. Now 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 3, 8. Next 5 2s are 10, direct right here. Now do addition. 2, 0 plus 5, 5, 3 plus 8, 11. 1 plus 1, 2, 1. Yes. This is our total cost of 56 meter of Pochampalli cloth. Now we want to find answer. Total amount is received. Shopkeeper within the month, then how much money has he received? I write here. Total amount he received. Total amount he received. The cost of Sirsilla, already we find answer, that is 12 or 10,112. Next amount Pochampalli cost 12,152. Total amount means we do addition. 2 plus 2 4, 1 plus 5 6, 1 plus 1 2, 0 plus 2 2, 1 plus 1 2. Total amount is 22,264. Total amount means total amount of Sirsilla and total amount of Pochampalli. Final answer is 22,264. This is the solution for 11th question. After this, now we some more problems from the textbook. That is page number 30. Divide and multiply. Divide and multiply. Yes. Page number 30. Divide and multiply. Divide and multiply. See, this division and multiplication are reverse process to each other. The multiplication is reverse process of division, or division is a reverse process of multiplication. The question number A. 4 into 25 equals dash. Now 100 divided by dash equal to 25. See, first 4 into 25. 25 4s are. 4 5s are 20. First digit 0 right here. 2 is going up and here. 4 2 ja 8. 8 plus 2. 10. Direct right here. Yes. 4 times of 25 is 100. Yes. Now comparing these two statements, 100, 100 is here. 25, 25 is here. Now here 4 there is no. Yes, blank is there. See if 100 divides 4, 100 divided by 4, you see 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. 12 is a greater than 10. In division, we take equal value or less than the value, lesser value. 4 twos are 8. 10 minus 8, 2. The last digit 0 will come down. Now 2 0 20. 4 5s are 20. In this division, our main answer is quotient. Yes, main answer is 25. Here also main answer is 25. Yes, our divisor is 4. Means 100 is divided by 4. We get 25. The solution is depending on this statement. 25 is there, 25 is there. 100 is there, 100 is there. Now we are 4 is there. We write 4 directly. We check it by division. We get answer. This is the combination of divide and multiply. Now B1. B1. 8 into 25 equals dash, and dash divided by 8 equal 25. See, from the first statement, 8 into 25. 25 into 8. 8 5s are 40. First digit is here. Now 4 is going up, carry on. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4. 20. 20 dies at here. 8. 8 times of 25 is 200. Or 8 into 25 is equal to 200. From the first statement, compare with second statement. Here 8, here 8. Here 25, here 25. Here 200 is there. Automatically the answer is 200 in this second statement. To check it. 200 divided by 8. Now 8 table. In 8 table there is no 2. You take continuous number 2 0 20. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. The 24 is a greater than 20. Take equal value or less value. 8 twos are 16. 20 minus 16, 4. The final digit will come down. 4 0 40, 8 5s are 40, 45, 40 0. In division, our main answer is quotient. Our answer is 25. We have 25. When 200 is divided by 8, 200 is divided by 8, we get 25. In the blank, our main answer is 200. This is our answer. We do verification by division. That is depending on first statement. That is 8 into 25 is equal to 200. Okay, students, here C, D, E, F, G, H. These 6 problems are waiting for you under homework. Do these 6 problems in homework or in your running notes. Homework, page number 30, divide and multiply. Problems are C, D, E, F, G and H. Homework page number 30, divide and multiply. You have to do this problem C, D, E, F, G and H. These are depending on A and B from divide and multiply. That is page number 30. Dear students, we have finished this second chapter, multiply and divide. In tomorrow class, we meet with the new chapter, that is smart table, chapter number 3, smart tables. Okay, children, goodbye to everyone.